Hello, Mike. Tell me what's going on
We're
today.
here
What are you up
at
to?
Margaritaville at Hardwood Ski and Bike, and we're raising funds for Dave Locke's orphanage in Haiti. He used to ski here, and we have a lot of fun. We bring the Caribbean beach right to Hardwood. Enjoy the beautiful sunshine and the weather. Oh my God, we got margaritas, daiquiris, pina coladas. We got a fire, we got music, we got people dancing. Come on in.
Fantastic.
The beach is great. The water's fine. The water's fine. Come on in.
Right on. Thank you.
Can I get you something? Pina colada, daiquiri, margarita, ginger, lemonade?
Just lemonade?
Just lemonade? Alright. You don't want me to put just like a little margarita in it? Just a tiny little bit. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It'll make you dance. What would you like, sir?
Hey there, John.
These are nicely torched.
What do we got on the grill here today?
We've got a little bit of everything, Graham, but you know what? It's all looking about the same because when you burn everything, everything looks burnt. Right?
Come on.
Man, oh man.
Help John? Whatever. Help you.